Good day, sir, madam. I am Cherry Brinya, 23 years old, married. I have one child, and I am a high school graduate.
Good day, Miss Cherry. How are you?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
So what made you decide to work in abroad?
I want to work abroad, sir, madam, because I want to earn money to support my family.
First time to work in abroad?
Yes, sir, madam.
So how are you going to avoid your homesickness?
Sir, madam, I will just focus to my job.
So can you tell us the proper way taking care of the children?
The proper way of taking children, sir, madam, are give them food, vitamins, and take them a bath.
So what if you commit mistake your employer, what will you do?
I ask for forgiveness and promise that I will never do that again.
Any message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me because I need this job to support the needs of my family, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract and be a responsible helper.
Okay, thank you, Miss Cherry. Hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thank you, sir, madam.